I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. So can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up. My mama told me don't talk to people you haven't met. I guess my mama was right.
How do you feel?
I feel great.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
Why is he putting so much emphasis? Moleshano. Yo.
Whoa, muthe.
Finished, guys. Ma? It is so cold, guys. It was nice, ne? I really enjoyed today's service. I was saying it's like a full force. Is it raining?
It was.
Believe you can what?
I believe I can fly. I
Oh, let's go. It is so cloudy. It is so cold. Oh my goodness. I'm so glad that I brought like a jacket. You know, my mom is already in the car. That's how cold she is. Guys, it is cold.
No, ik heb hier even traffic. Mama.
Good morning, everyone. Yeah, today is a Monday, and I have been up for some time. I think it's been like 30 minutes now. It is probably around 8:30 because I've been up since 8 o'clock. I am going to try and have a productive day because I will be home alone for today. Rogisang's at school, my mom is at work. And another thing is that today's weather is actually pretty cold. I don't know about you guys, but okay, obviously it makes sense because it's like autumn now. But yo, it took a whole 360. Like 2 days ago it was extremely hot, and then yesterday was just raining and stuff, and then today is cold. So I don't know what's happening, but probably because winter's around the corner, and I like winter. I don't mind this weather compared to so much heat. I personally prefer this weather, so yeah, I can deal with it. Cheers to more productive days. I don't have to now be lazy. So yeah, that's that's what I'm planning on doing. I'm planning on having a productive day indoors. And I'm gonna bring you guys along. So I hope you guys like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And without rambling too much, let us get into the video. And this is my knee, by the way. It's my knee because it looks so weird being like this. But yeah, hope you guys stay tuned. Let's get into the video. My room is not so bad today. I tried tidying it up. It's not so bad. By the way, Rogisa's one that styled my hair. I don't know what she did to my hair, but she did it anyways, and I'm gonna deal with it for today. I am so attached to this gown. I've had this gown for like many years, and it still fits me perfectly. So yeah, I'm genuinely so attached to this gown. I know it's weird because it's like, why am I wearing a gown that has pink stars around it? But it's because I've had it for such a long time. So back then my pink stars made sense, and I just can't seem to let go of it. Like, I have all these other gowns in my cupboard, but I'd still rather wear this one instead, you know. So yeah, let's go brush my teeth. Why am I saying let's go brush my teeth? Let me go brush my teeth and then have breakfast, and then yeah, change of plans. It's not that cold outside, so I might just go take a walk. Not might, I am going to go take a walk, and I'm gonna come back and then continue with my day. Yep, I'm just gonna wear that and this. Yeah, I was looking for my leggings, but I'm like, in this weather I'm gonna come back early then if I'm going to be wearing leggings, you know. So yeah, and I also don't want to catch a cold. So let me change and then I'll get back to you guys. So it is pretty cold. My face is cold, but that's okay. Okay guys, it's starting to drizzle. So I don't know if I should turn back home and then do indoor exercises or what. But let me just go one last round and then I am going to turn back home. It is that time of the day where I am studying. I've already bathed, I've already had something to eat. That was just something I was snacking on, by the way. The biscuits were just something that I was snacking on, really. And then yeah, I am currently about to study. And normally I listen to like lo-fi whilst I'm journaling, you know, just getting myself right and set. But guys, why didn't anyone tell me that you can listen to Afro beats but in lo-fi? Oh my goodness, my vibe is already set. I'm already ready to get started into like studying. And I know my hair is a mess right now, but I told you guys I'm gonna deal with this hair for today. Yeah, I'm really just journaling. Obviously, I won't show you guys, but yeah, I'm really just journaling, and I'm gonna start with my schoolwork.
I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. So can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up. My mama told me don't talk to people you haven't met. I guess my mama was right. But it's not 'cause everybody you meet is dangerous, but 'cause they'll break your heart. 'Cause she plays it so cool, making up her own rules. And I'm a loser for thinking I've got any shot in the dark. Now it's hitting me hard.
Guys, Miss Ma'am is back home, and come sit here, man. Come sit here. And she has a badge that she never left the house with this morning. Miss Ma'am is in the top 10. Well done.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm so proud of you, man. Okay. How do you feel?
I feel great.
Really?
Yes.
You're gonna, guys, I promised her that I'm gonna get a top model book if she's like in the top 10, because then we'll get to see if really like the teachers were really just being on her side in, what is it, foundation phase, ne? Yeah, or if she really knows how to work hard, and she did. She actually did. So we'll see what we'll get you. But I'm proud of you, man. I'm proud of you. Is that why you are hugging me?
Yeah, so I was trying to get in the car. I was like, I can't just come and show them. I was like, my parents are here, like, oh, watch my badge. And then of course they're gonna see, let me which badge. Then I was put on straight.
You know how I realized? I was hugging you and I can smell that you like, it's a perfume. So I'm thinking you want me to smell your perfume. So I'm like, now she's standing there and I'm like, but if you've always been getting top 10 badges, then where are the other ones? Because then you would have had them. But I can see that it's just one. And I'm like, ay man, wait. I'm so proud of you, man. Well done. Well done.
Tell me, what am I supposed to do? 'Cause I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. Still can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up. I've got an internet crush. Internet crush. Internet crush. Internet crush. But if we met somewhere else, would things be different? Or am I wasting my time?